At backend, check for appearance and click menu. The menu layout is there. You can make changes in it by drag and drop. Now I am removing the cushions category and will add it again to show you. The subcategory will appear little bit at the right below its main category. From product category you can add new category to the menu. Just simply find the desired category and select it and add it to the menu. Now the category is added to the menu, but we have to make it subcategory of gardening and home. To do so we have to drag it and place below the subcategory of gardening. You can change order here. When you set your desired order, then simply click on Save Changes, then menu will be changed.